Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the repository and editor. Make sure Git is installed and that VS Code opens the project folder. Once done, clone an existing remote with git clone URL or initialize a new repo with Git in it, and then open that folder in VS Code. Make sure you sign into your remote service from the accounts pane so pushing works. You need this connection now to avoid interruptions later. The editor and remote must both be ready before you start editing files. Now you execute the central workflow, edit files, then switch to the source control pane. You stage changes selectively, stage hunks or whole files, so commits stay focused. Once staged, write a concise commit message and commit. This keeps history meaningful. For new work, create a branch with git checkout bfeature/name or the branch menu to isolate changes. You should commit frequently with one logical change per commit. This practice makes rebases and reviews simpler and prevents large, hard-to-understand merges later. Finish by publishing and integrating your work. Push the branch with git push uorigin branch or the VS Code push action, then create a pull request to merge into the target branch. Once reviews arrive, fetch the latest changes and rebase or merge to keep history clean, resolve any review comments and run tests. If you encounter conflicts, use VS Code's merge editor to choose changes and then commit the resolution. If things still break, check git status, run git log, and verify remote URL to fix common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.